This was expensive. I'll just say that.
Hello?
Ow! Oh, joking.
Rosie! What have you done now?
Oh no, I've ruined it.
Hi, I'm Rosie.
And I'm Lauren, and today we're going to be trying some of the weirdest hair tools from the internet.
We've chosen some of the craziest and strangest hair tools on the market today, and we're going to be trying them for the first time in this video.
I'm scared.
Yeah, me too. First things first, we're going to dampen our hair because the first product it needs to be wet for. My natural hair is like this. We washed it last night. Is yours like that?
We washed it together,
washed my hair.
holding hands. So the product that I'm going to be trying today is called a blower brush. Not as naughty as it sounds.
I think you're meant to like get a blowout look with that brush whilst drying it.
Right, I'm really hoping I get a big boof on.
I think that will do, do you think?
Drum wrap, status, locked.
This is my product that I'm going to be using. A bit similar to yours, but this has got a flat paddle instead of a round
wet.
barrel. It is a bit wet, but it should be waterproof, I hope, because it's meant to be the same as yours. So I think it blows hot air, but this is for straightening. Do not use this appliance near bathtubs, showers, basins or other vessels containing water, but dry your wet hair with it.
Oh gosh, shut up.
Mine smells weird. I'm scared. That looks good.
She snapped.
Let's see.
Oh, I'll put it back. Sorry.
I'm exhausted after that. But every time I go down, it's like, it wasn't difficult, but it's just a lot of, you know, like,
Athletics.
yeah. I don't want to be doing this while I'm doing my hair,
If we
really.
wanted that, we'd be playing Wii Fit.
Yes. I'd probably prefer a normal hairdryer.
And a hairbrush.
And a hairbrush, yeah. Just because you get more air out of that. This is like triple the time because like only a little of air comes out. You want like the whole shebang.
And I'd probably rate that even a 2 out of 5.
Yeah, not a fan. Wouldn't
Idiot.
not use again. A bit disappointed, really. Thanks a lot, Rachel. So I've got like a curling device. Apparently, it like sucks up your hair, keeps it in this little shaft, curls it, and then once you let it go, it's meant to be curly.
Magic.
I can just see my hair getting knotted in this and me having to cut it out later.
But that'll be entertaining, so we'll take it. Here we have a waver. So first initial thoughts.
Nice colour.
Really nice colour, yeah.
Really confusing to, like, where do you put your hair?
Do you want me to try it on the first one just to try and see from an outsider's perspective?
Yeah, go on. Do it really small, no, smaller.
3, 2, 1. Ow! Oh!
Joking.
Rosie! What have you done now?
Oh no, I've ruined it.
Stupid girl!
Woo!
3, 2, 1. In the room.
Stop! That actually did hurt a little bit. Do you know how to let it go?
I think it does it itself.
Oh.
Oh, do I pull it out
I
myself?
don't know.
What's the secret? If you're not in fear of the product, it will allow you to
Rip my hair off.
Yeah.
She says, she says the instruction.
She, the girl, a cartoon. Like
Alright, let me have a go now.
But it doesn't.
Right.
Oh.
How did you get
No,
it in?
Just do it normal.
What do you mean?
Freaking me out. Yeah.
Scared. Let go.
No.
Pull
Oh,
it out.
it was simple as that, and it looks crap.
This was expensive. I'll just say that. I've wanted these to work.
All her life.
Right, can you see anything?
No.
Maybe that must be the barrel.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, that didn't hurt at all that time.
The winner of the X Factor is.
Not
No.
me. I'm not being funny, but like, why would you want to start your night with a loose curl? You want to start with a tight curl so that it can loosen throughout the night. You don't want to start with this. This is like second day curl.
I'm assuming I'm just getting involved.
Hey, that looks good.
I look like an extra from The Great Gatsby.
That's what you have always wanted.
I have always wanted that.
Yours looks really nice though, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, wait a second. Just look at this puff of smoke that comes out afterwards. Damage.
Oh, that's really scary.
I'm just going to do this last strand because it's actually working quite well on my hair.
Yeah, you look really nice. Ready for the town, you are. Right, thoughts?
I think I look quite pretty.
Can't quite fathom how much I hate this. Difficult to use, is real like contraption and it's quite scary.
That is the actual device equivalent of the chokey from Matilda.
Yes, it is.
I'll give that a 3. 3 out of 5.
Oh yeah, I would have given it a 4 actually, but oh no, because of the burning.
The burn.
Yeah.
It's a small, slight burning sensation.
Moving on to the third product, I'm going to do a simple technique using a hair straightener. You basically take a section, straighten it, roll it with your fingers, and then use a little clip to kind of like just clip it in. This is quite popular with influencers, one specifically named Molly May.
And I've got probably the more expensive version of that technique, which is the thermo-ceramic rollers.
This one I have high hopes for actually, because just if anything can go wrong, then I will be in disbelief at this point.
Oh.
Drop it.
Stunning. Absolutely
Oh,
stunning.
it's fallen.
It's alright.
Do you know what? I am just gonna do this.
It's fine, that's actually beautiful.
She makes it look so easy when she does it.
Okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not
do
really
anything
fine. You
right.
just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Molly May.
How does she do that?
Do you want to try it on the side?
I'm about to have an actual tantrum. This is just not fair. Huh? But how?
I did it the wrong way. I'm going to look like an old gentleman from the 1950s. Oh my god, I've really chose bad placement because now you can see my receding hairline. I'm doing these are all like up towards my head, so I don't know if I'm going to end up looking like Annie. Or
Oh, we love her.
I probably would like to look like Annie to be fair.
Mine just look like Olympic rings. That's the last one in.
Absolutely
George.
stellar. We have now had our hair cool and we're going to be taking out
Yes.
the situation.
Hello.
Excuse me, lady.
Welcome to the party.
She's ready to be in Downton Abbey.
Yeah.
The curl girls.
Mine looks
I didn't
stunning.
want a kinky McGinky. Oh.
And it's coming out beautifully.
Oh, well, lucky you. I can't wait to get on the bus home. This thing here
Yeah.
is slightly rude. Ugly. Are you alright?
I've lost the last couple.
Oh my god, SOS.
They've been engulfed. Overall then, what do we think?
I would say these are my favourite.
They do look really good. I told you they were good.
Yeah.
I think these ones are my favourite.
Yeah, because this is also like a massive contender.
Yeah, I mean this one from that other device, that is really good. It was good, but I think I would probably just curl my hair.
So overall,
So really glad we did this video because overall would just use a curler.
10 out of 10.
Thanks for watching guys. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these weird hair tools yourself.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos from us in the future. Next we're going to be trying heatless curling tools, so stay tuned for that. Bye!